Hello to everyone. I am Professor Raja, working as Assistant Professor, EC Department, SNS College of Technology, and an autonomous institution, Coimbatore. In this YouTube video, I am going to discuss about understanding the SNS Roadmap. SNS Institution is an autonomous institution which is at the Saravanampatti, Coimbatore, and it is an academic institution which runs more than 25 years of experience. Here I am worked as Assistant Professor in EC Department, and in our curriculum we have implemented a design thinking framework for the benefit of students and alumni stakeholders. Now I am going to give the introduction about what is SNS Roadmap. The SNS Roadmap is a strategic framework that guides an organization transformation from initial challenges and disorganization through a structured development stages to achieve excellence and impactful creation. It illustrates a step-by-step progression emphasizing both cultural and operational growth. At the foundation, the roadmap acknowledges common frustrations and challenges rooted in conventional mindset and standard business approaches. These create a friction that must be overcome by adopting innovative human-centered methods like design thinking, which prioritize empathy and creating problem solution. So our institution aim is to find a problem solution for any problem which is not solved in a traditional method. So we implementing design thinking in a 5 phases. Later on I will discuss on that. The next, moving into a framework and cultural phase, this SNS roadmap highlights a core cultural values and organizational structures such as the 3P culture, that is process, people and purpose, the 3C framework, that is attitude, logic and technology. So without correcting this three framework into the student life, we cannot achieve a good student to a good society of citizen in the real time world. And we also maintain a foundational pillars that support learning, understanding and innovative within a supportive network called SPINE. SIGN is an area where we have provided a learning, understanding and innovative for any common problem into a good solution. The growth and innovation phase focuses on cultivating continuous creativity through innovation practices, embracing enhanced technologies like generative AI and nurturing certified talent pools to sustain movement. So for this benefit, we have implemented generative AI in all the project works that are done by our students. That is, from first year to final year, we have included this generative AI in each stages of the product. Next, finally, this roadmap cultivates an excellency and a creating phase where measurable goals, that is in our institution we call it as a smart OKRs, which is a progressive achievements and ambiguous missions like 100 AI startups demonstrate how an organization can achieve outstanding growth mindsets by integrating design thinking and AI. So in a nutshell, the SNS roadmap serves as a comprehensive guide for organizations to evolve methodologically while maintaining a strong cultural foundation, fostering movement and striving for sustainable excellence and meaningful impact. And we have implemented a good core value of sincerity, nobility and service. So without sincerity, none of the students have a good long life. That is, a student have high kind of skill set, high kind of technical knowledge, but without sincerity and noble thinking and is not service oriented minded, he is not useful for this society. So sincerity, nobility and service are crucial values that benefit organizations by fostering trust, motivation and meaningful impact in all stakeholder interaction. So in our college, sincerity means it is a transparency and trust. Sincerity in our organization ensures that communication is genuine and transparent, reducing misunderstanding and fostering open discussions. We also conduct a mentoring hour, mentee hour for to solve the problem of students and faculty dismissals. Also, we encourage a mentor-mentee system is a benefit for a low-level people to high-level people to show their talents. Sincere environments build stronger, more good teams where members support each other and act with honest interactions. And also, this nobility is the value aligns actions to higher missions, going beyond profit to focus on ethical behavior and meaningful contributions to the community. Organizations that embrace nobility create a culture of empowerment and long-term impact where success is measured by holistic result including social good and satisfactory stakeholder. Next one is the service. So as this is the student, their final aim is to provide to good service to the society. That is, a service-oriented behavior of the students will maintain a good impact on the society. So for this, we are conducting a Santa 365 events where our students are helping the home needy people for their needs. So the above sincerity, nobility, service in our organization empower our organizations to build strong, resilient cultures that achieve lasting positive outcomes for employees, students, and faculties. Our mission is mainly building an entrepreneurship mindset through our design thinking framework. So these are our pillars as I told earlier. Our college is runs by 5 pillars. One is CLT, that is Center for Learning and Teaching, where we practice design thinking based academic learning and teaching. That is from the day one to last semester of the project. We are implementing everything in a design thinking based approach. That is for preparing of lesson plan, question bank, then puzzles and some kind of assignments, YouTube videos, everything is based on design thinking. So at the students they are studying, we given the teaching methodology based on design thinking based structure based culture. The next skill and career development. In order to make a good citizen or a good engineer, we must improve building a life skill. That life skill depends on cognitive, social and emotional through various clubs and content. So in our college we have 19 clubs, famously the dance club, arts club, then we have a Rotary club, then trekking club. So many clubs are there to build a life skills to the student with their positive mindset. The next one is the important for teaching community, Center for Creativity. That is, it provides an hands-on experience to solve key industrial problems through latest technology. So for this, we are inviting a outside resource person which are very good in that technological field. For example, if the students are from EC department, they need a expert in VLSI technology or semiconductor technology or microprocessor technology, and sometimes they need a Python coder. So invite the outsourced persons like Robert Boss, CTS or Wipro to deliver the current need of industry to a student-based community. So in our college, we are conducting a course facilitator session along with the faculty, those who are handling that subject. So that course facilitator session will discuss the latest innovation among the students were out of the syllabus. That is, if the student is studying microprocessor and a microcontroller in industry, where we use that microprocessor, microcontroller, and what is the latest innovation in microprocessor, microcontroller, that are discussed by this course facilitator. Then the very important fourth phase pillar of our institution is Industry Institute Partnership Cell, where our student is linked with the industry people. That it connects and learn business sense of top industry like Wipro, CTS, TCS, Robert Boss, then Capgemini, then Amazon, Google, then AMD, Athlon, like that we have included. Then the final one is the social responsibility initiate, where we have to give whatever we are studying and whatever we are learning to the society, that is given in our student in the name of SRI pillar. So the next and important one is our tagline. So main aim of our tagline is redesigning common minds and business towards excellence. That is, in the beginning, the common mind and business operated under routine standard approaches that kept progress steady but uninspired. This mindset was comfortable with the familiar but resist to change, often stuck in repetitive cycles and a small level of incremental improvements. It was like a vast river going slowly, steady, but lacking the necessary for groundbreaking streams of innovation. So we, our SNS institution, will redesigning common minds towards a best business in excellence. So we make everything in a positive way, and we are given a good coaching to our student to convert them their standard mindset into a excellent mindset. Slowly but surely, our student common mind transformed into a powerful current of excellence that is the adaptive, innovative, and driven by heart and intelligence. This our institution will convert that thoughtful redesign even a most common ways of thinking and working can rise towards a greatness, turning everyday business into extraordinary achievements. The next, we have to provide a content based of 3P culture. So in our institution we use process, people and purpose of 3P culture. So this SNS institution we are using process, people, purpose from the foundational 3P culture that drives organizational success and excellence. So what is meant by a process? At SNS institution, process defines to a well-defined systematic workflow and standard that guide daily operation and strategic initiative. These processes ensure consistency, quality and efficiency across departments from academic delivery to administrative support. The institution continuously refers its process through feedback and innovation from a student side. Every semester we are getting feedback, and every semester we are also getting feedback from parents, and our alumni students are interacting with our teaching faculty community, and some kind of board of studies member also allowing to change adaptability in dynamic educational landscape. This structured approach enables SNS institution to scale quality education and research while maintaining a clear path for continuous improvement. The next is the people. People are the heart of SNS institution. That is the faculty, staff, students, research scholars, and community partners who bring passion, skill, and collaboration to the table. SNS nurtures its people by fostering a culture of learning, inclusivity, and empowerment. Professional development program, mentorship, and team building activities help individuals to grow personally and professionally. The collective strength of people motivated by shared values and a sense of belonging that drives institution towards a fuel of innovation across disciplines. Then the final one is the purpose. Purpose as SNS institution is the guiding mission to transform lives through education, research, and societal impact. It embodies the institution commitment to nurturing future leaders, advancing knowledge, and contributing solutions to real world challenges. This clear and compelling purpose inspires every stakeholders to align their effort and leverage their unique talents towards common goals. So together, people, process, purpose create a synergized culture at the SNS institution that not only achieves but sustains excellence while fostering holistic development and meaningful impact. So the next and a very important one is the technologies and innovative industries we are using in our institution. So in our institution we use the 7 innovation technology that starts from robotic and automation, AR, VR, metaverse, gaming, digital twins, data science and artificial intelligence, machine learning technology, Internet of Things technology, communication and growth technology, additive manufacturing, 3D printing technology, then low code development, and as I told, we are implementing everything in the name of process, people and purpose. Then the 7 innovation industry that we considered in our teaching process are smart city manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture and food industry, automobile, aerospace and defense, retail FMGG, retail, real estate, entertainment and finance, and power and energy. So our students having the mentality of solving industrial problems using innovation technology. So if you take this all 7 technologies, which is the needed of any engineer which is taking their career as an engineering life. So without this all 7 innovation technologies, we cannot find the world to run in a smooth way. And also whatever the field you are taking in a current environment, these 7 industries are the evergreen innovation industries that can use any engineer to build a better world. So this is our SNS roadmap. So this is our SNS roadmap already discussed. So the foundation part will conclude the challenges, common man and business skill and design thinking framework. And the framework and the culture we include 3P culture that I already told, process, people, purpose. Then 3C framework, attitude, logic and technique. Then 5 pillars, that is CFC, Center for Creativity, Center for Learning and Teaching, Skill and Career Development Cell, Industry Institute Partnership Cell and SRI pillar. Then the spine is the area where we have to inculcate all these academic oriented in a beautiful environment. Then the growth and innovation. So our institution will consider growth and innovations in the 7 technologies with the 7 industry that I already discussed. Then we have implement all projects in the area called GenAI enablement. So GenAI is the key area where we have developed, we have showcased our student knowledge in a global way. Then we have provided certified talent. So in our college now we are giving Microsoft AI Azure technology course to each students to betterment of their career. Then the excellence and creation in outcome, that is a smart OKR girls, both given for faculty and students. Then we have excellence in progressive achievements, and our motto of college is 100 AI startups in 10-year mission. So we are in the pathway. The students and faculties are putting their heart and souls to improvement of our SNS growth. Finally, a growth mindset by using design thinking frameworks and AI based technology. With this design thinking providing the logical approach and AI enabling a scale of 100 startup mission is not just a dream, but it is an achievable one in our SNS institution. So in this YouTube video, I have discussed the roadmap of SNS, how our institution will consider each individual students and faculty as a very important one, and our institution designed design thinking 5 pillars are discussed. Then how we are taking our classes by using design thinking, and what is our mission. This is 1000 startup in a 10-year goal, and our alumni and feedbacks are discussed along with this, and our roadmap also discussed. So thank you for watching video. Thank you.